What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes here with another video for you with Cody from Xposed. Looks like I think he's at Red Rock. I could be wrong. I'm just using that because I see the power slap on the blackjack. But go ahead and follow Cody on Kick, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere in between. Let's rock and roll into this. Let's see what's going on. And I love live action.
Put him on the
because mainly Cody
middle
does.
What are you in?
All three on that one.
Pragmatic and other
I got
various
15K total.
15K total, Travis.
websites from Croatia.
$50 a middle hand.
It's for good luck. It's for good luck.
Singapore,
15K for 15 bucks.
$15,000, 3 hands. $5,000 each. All right. Come on, 50K start. Go ahead. Yeah, let's do it.
I'll be your dealer tonight.
I chose the wrong hand.
16.
Okay. Come on.
Let's go. 10. Hey! Let's go.
What did I say? Come on. Let's go.
Nice win to
Let's go,
start off
Sassy.
the game.
$115.
Again.
Start off the game, the shoot.
Again. No, again.
Let it ride.
I'll let it ride.
Which this is interesting. I wonder if they did start off
Let it
mid
ride.
shoot. I've heard it's not the best to start off mid shoot. We got a 12, 10.
Good. Come on.
Ace.
6, 7.
Bang! Let's go.
One more. 8.
Come on,
7.
No.
Hey, let's go.
That was awesome.
Go. There we go.
You told
That's
the
what I'm
boys.
talking about. Let's go here.
You want to do it
I
again?
love Cody.
Did I get it back?
If you guys haven't seen him online,
Up 30, fellas. Up 30.
go follow him on his YouTube channel. And dude, he is one of the best commentators when it comes to blackjack. And I don't mean like not commentators, I should say more like characters. The dude is hilarious.
Don't look at me funny, bro.
Like
Why
his
are you looking at me
mannerisms
like
when he has
that?
to split, he does the whole
Big
oh
split.
my god. Like I lose it.
Huge
Get a good angle of
split.
this. Get a good angle of this. 3.
Yeah, let's go.
3 nines, boys. 3 nines.
2.
Come on, bro. Please. Nothing.
It's all good.
Yup.
No more 10s. No more 10s.
Nothing. Come on, bust it up. Come on, big hands.
Oh, no.
Small. It's got to be
10.
big.
10. Hey, let's go!
The tides are turning. Let's go. Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
It's a Raz look.
That's awesome.
Go. Let's go, Raz. Good shit. Let's go.
Hey, she's still on the phone.
Best thing we can, brother. I don't know. Okay. I think we're at 45 right now. Okay, we're at 45,000. Let's go.
Keep busting out. Ace.
Yep. Okay.
7.
That hair on
Boom! Hey, this is huge.
Master. Double it down.
Double down. Huge
I'll
double
take
down,
it up.
boys.
I'll take it up. I'll take my 10 up. Let's go.
You're good. Give me the 10. No!
That's fine.
No. This would hurt. This would hurt bad.
Push that one, yeah. No. It looks so good.
She gets the f***ing 9 that you get 7. And why is she laughing?
So mean to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna move the camera.
Trying to make it so it's not too
we can get a better angle. Put them in the middle.
We're at the Durango this time,
Let's go.
boys. Paint it.
Not a thing. Yep. Thank you.
One hand.
The difference on the side bets,
We're up 30. We're doing all right.
live
One
versus
hand, 1
online,
5 for good luck.
they have different rule sets because they have to be specific. Like you can see on the right, it'll be like any trip 7s.
How's the camera guys? How's the
I think it has to be that number. I could be wrong. Put down in the comments if I'm wrong, but
It's a lucky buy.
online it's usually like for right now that would be you get a pocket pair.
I need 5. I need
It'd
5.
be like 20 to 1 or something crazy like
Color it
that.
up.
You gotta keep it up.
He's got the 5s going.
Alright, so we got a split
Come on.
2.
Give me another 2.
I'll do it again. Give it 2.
Come on, 298. Nope. 298. Yep.
Oh my god.
I did one more.
Please give him a 7-8.
Alright.
7-8.
Please.
Come on. Yeah, I'll take it down. Take it down. Guys, $15,000 in total.
Let's go.
Ooh, that's ugly.
Bust.
Let's go, big one.
No.
Oh my god.
We need a 7
Hey.
7 or 8.
Gross.
Are you?
Gross.
Not a single 10 came out.
Gross.
Sorry, keep the reds off. It's bad luck.
It's good luck. What are you talking about?
What?
It's f***ing working. You want one?
Come on.
I like that. That was
What are you guys
awesome.
saying, guys? You guys feeling this hand? Feeling pretty good about it. Let's go 15. Come on, 15,000.
15?
Come on, $15,000 hand. Let's go. Here we go.
Ace.
Yeah.
I wonder if the dealers already know. They feel it
Holy.
so calmly.
Let's go.
Bang!
Nice. Nice.
10, 10.
Let's go.
Seriously though, Cody is just so fun to gamble with. He doesn't. There's like you have the emotional roller coaster with Aiden.
Bang.
Cody definitely has an emotional roller coaster, but
Made
it's
the
not
100
like
back.
it's not so dramatic. I think it's more of a
Let's go.
character versus.
Give my 100 back.
Come on, 20.
But these are degenerates. We are all
$20,000 hand
degenerates.
with
20K, boys. 20K.
I don't know if I consider myself. I just love
20K
watching.
hand here, fellas.
It's so fun.
Get his play.
Taking this high win
Let's go.
blackjack.
Oh, you're good.
That's all right. That's all right. 10, 10, 10, 10,
Come on, big
10, 10. No way.
How many times have you done that, bro?
Get too horny again, bro. Get too horny. Take it down, bro.
Yo, that's brutal, chat.
Take it down a notch, Cody.
I love how she scans the table. It's like, dude, just one person. 15.
We need some luck here, chat. Yo, we literally haven't got a blackjack yet. Haven't got a blackjack yet.
Two hands.
2 hands, boys. Big. We need them both. Fuck.
Dude, no way. No way.
Hey, hey.
600, please. 600. 7, I'll take a tie. You can't have it.
Yes, 10.
Good. No way. No.
17. 18.
That's... Chat, we're getting rinsed.
Alright, guys. Good luck. Maybe she bring the luck to you guys.
Have a good break.
Dude, these fucking hands are so good, too. Shit, it's not busting.
Big double down. Big. 10.
Come on, new dealer. She's busting.
10. Bang! Let's go.
Bang, let's go. Good double down.
Not double enough.
Oh, yeah, not yet.
No, you guys took it all back, so.
I did.
Yeah.
212.
Come on, chat.
212, 22.
Bang! Let's go. Huge. Hey. Dial.
Hey, now I'm gonna get horny again. I'm gonna go f***ing double up. Come on, bro. It's a f***ing massive hand here. $20,000, 2 10K hands. Come on, let's go. Big one. Come on. Okay. 2s, please. No 10. No. I'm still f***ing doing it. Come on.
Yeah, why
Split
not?
it up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Split it up.
This is huge.
Come on.
Huge.
I mean, man.
Bro, this will get
Down.
Oh,
back.
he's gonna
This is
double.
Look at his
huge.
back.
Down in front. I know. I hear you. Looking at me. Show your
9,
face.
9.
The coach isn't feeling it. The coach isn't feeling it.
9-8.
That's not bad.
No.
7 under. 7
Oh,
under.
just
7.
7.
Hey,
Not bad.
17.
Not bad.
Buy
10.
that.
Yes! Let's go!
That's it, baby.
You are.
That's awesome.
Let's go.
Hey,
Huge. Let's go.
Raz, hey, let's go.
That was great. Good swing.
What?
Huge chat. How big is the pair you
Massive.
That was a 9. 9.
That was awesome.
Split and double.
Taking it down. Let's go.
Yeah,
She can hit
smart.
on 17. It's a soft 17.
Smart.
Snowman.
I I like how this dealer's dealing
She's
for
allowed
some
hitting,
reason.
boys. She's allowed hitting.
17. Nice. Dude, this girl is killing it right now. Just keep it low. I would just be keeping it low. Oh, double.
Yeah, Chad. They can hit soft 17.
I still would have kept it low, but
Yes, sir.
Come on.
I mean, damn.
Just, I know what the table says, but the
10.
text.
Gotta be 120. No. 7-6, please. It's gonna be 10.
Oh my God.
That's why. That's why you gotta bring it back.
That was huge.
You gotta play some of those odds.
No way.
Blackjack?
Okay. Now we got some action.
Private, fellas.
Dude, this is
Well, it is, but it isn't. There's way too many people at this casino right now.
1911.
Come on, paint it. Perfect.
All right, there we go.
Let's go. Beautiful.
Go bounce back, kid.
We're chilling. We're chilling. 2.
Dial in. Chat, stop saying it's a scam. It's not a scam.
Of course it's a scam. God, dude. Love watching this stuff.
7.
Waste.
9.
Wow, how many aces are there?
7. 9.
Dude, he took
You
all
like that,
those
huh?
aces.
You like that? Like that sound?
Like 3 hands ago, she
Yo, hit the 17, but
standing on 17.
Oh, here we go.
7 will take a tie. You can't have it. Good. No way. No. I hate that. Damn it, dude.
All right, you guys, we're gonna hit pause right there really quick. Just really quick. So this has happened actually before, and supposedly this happens quite often. I was watching a video with Steve's girlfriend, and this happened where the dealer, I think they pushed 18, and then she still took her money. And yeah, sometimes just, dealers go through thousands and thousands and thousands of hands a day, and stuff like that happens. So let's see how this plays out.
Oh yeah.
No, she's supposed to stand on 17.
Yeah.
Right? Is that not how it's supposed to go? If we push, she stands on 17?
Yeah, stay 17.
yeah, you did hit. You did hit.
Hit. On top 17, she hit.
That was a hard set.
Okay, I was wrong, chat.
Yeah, it does that. He lost that hand.
It was soft.
Yeah, he pushed because of the way.
It was like 3 hands ago.
I'm not saying you lost money, but you didn't win. You're supposed to push. I mean, yeah.
So what happens if I lose again now?
You're supposed to get paid out. They didn't pay you. They set up the push.
You're saying she had soft 17?
Yeah, soft 17, and Cody had 18. And he had 18.
Yeah.
No, he had an 18. He had a soft 17.
And then she pulled an ace. Yeah, I remember it. No worries.
Hey, Chad.
Yo, the reason.
Dude, you gotta love chat.
You won me 5K back. That's crazy, bro.
So we
Good
thought
shit,
this one
guys.
was the
Good.
same. Side by side.
You guys are unreal.
Other dealer.
I think it was the other dealer. It wasn't her.
Holy.
She's only
Hey, I remember the hand though. I remember the hand vividly.
No, it's the other girl. Right
Guys, how much money did I have on
right
hand?
before she switched.
Yeah, not this girl. The other girl.
No, so we pushed because
They should have won. Yeah, he should have won.
Yeah, it is.
She drew a card on the soft 17.
Not her.
And it was exactly.
The chat was one
I
that.
noticed it too, but I forgot to double that. I look up and
Yes,
it was the last dealer, her last 2 hands.
her last 2 hands. It was like 5 hands ago, probably.
Yeah. It was when I had an 18. Dealer pulls 6 and an ace, and then pulled another ace. Yeah.
Yeah.
she had an ace showing, and they had 6 under. Chat.
Gotta love chat,
You guys got
man.
that.
You got. Let's see how the casino takes this.
What are you up, 30?
Thank you.
W's.
That's crazy, but good for them. Like, I like that. That's cool.
Let's go. 10,000. Let's go.
Let's finish on a good hand.
Come on. Yep. 20.
Nice.
Come on. No 10.
Stay. Oh, you can say. He needed that before, but that's okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see if she gets it. 14.
Take it. That's good.
It's all good.
That shoe was really good. Chat, we are up $35,000 to take that.
That's awesome,
Up
man.
$35,000.
Dude, I love the fact that the casino acknowledged it, made a mistake, and then they rectified it and paid him back. That's how it's done. And I gotta say, thank you, technology, because I guess this happens more often than not. Could you imagine like how much money gets taken or given here and there? But it's cool that they hold them accountable. And like, once again, thanks. And I appreciate all you guys sending out comments and showing me some cool stuff that I've never seen before. So yeah, if you guys like that, keep coming back. If not, I'll see you on the flip side.